Hey everyone, it's Lynnea for LDRS Creative, and we are going to create a really easy free-form collage card using the new Naturally Sweet Collage Stamps. These stamps are going to be live in the LDRS Creative store on Thursday, June 4th, but I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek. So here is my creative process when I create what I like to call a free-form collage. There are kind of grids that you can use in the LDRS Creative store, stamps that they look like ledgers. There's a few different ones that look like little ledgers, so they have lines, and then they also have notebook style ones too. What I like to do is just kind of lay out my stamps. These are uninked, clean stamps. I've used them before, so they are stained a little bit, but they're clean, and I'm just kind of laying them on my die cut panel. I used one of the small dies from the mixed postage rectangle dies, and I just kind of lay out the big items, not the little small icons that I'm going to be using. And then I like to start with my biggest stamp. So for that, this is this big sweet word. And I'm stamping this with some LDRS Creative ink. I'm using Tickled Pink here, but I'm going to be using a whole bunch of colors. I really wanted this to be like a sweet, yummy summertime rainbow. So I'm starting here with this big, sweet sentiment, and then from there I'll just kind of start filling in and kind of moving down and to the left and to the right. So I have my next biggest stamp, which is that delightful definition. And then I'm also going to kind of branch out and have I Pick You up at the top, and then I'm coming in with Hey There Cutie at the bottom, and below that I'll also stamp You're the One. And that's going to be it for my words, for my kind of big, these are the basis, the bones of my collage. And then from there, I'm grabbing a whole bunch of the fruits, and I'm just going to be stamping them, filling in my design to the left and right of my sentiments. I have the orange, and then I'm also stamping a watermelon. I did stamp those little sentiments that kind of make a little circle, and in the middle you could stamp any of the fruits. Some of the little sentiments might even fit, but I chose to put the little bee into there. Then I'm adding a blueberry, an apple, some cherries, grapes, and even a little pear. So I'm just kind of stamping all the fruits of the rainbow. I think I got every color represented in fruits here. And then I'm just going to finish off with the little leaf. I'm going to add 2 leaves to the grapes, one on the left and one on the right. And then I'll kind of tilt that a little bit and have a little leaf for the pear. So that's going to complete my rainbow of summertime fruits. And then I went back to those mixed postage rectangle dies, and I cut the next size up from vellum because I thought that I would bring in some pattern paper. I grabbed one of my favorite pattern papers, which is aptly named the Favorite Things paper pack. And I have not a complete pack in here. I kind of have 2 packs that I've put together in my one little folder here. And I looked through and I thought that a lot of these patterns would work, but I was really drawn to this rainbow striped with this kind of polka dot pattern on the background. So I am going to go with that, and the vellum just kind of helps to soften the layer a little bit and make my Naturally Sweet Collage stamped panel really pop. I cut that pattern paper down to A2 size, and I just put that right onto a white A2 card base. And this is finished. This is really clean, really simple, sweet, and just really packs a big punch of color, perfect for summertime. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again really soon. Bye!